Up with hands, up!
Ah, you are here. Just in time. I'm in charge here now. You were right. Your men will work a 24-hour shift until the tanks are repaired. But it is the People's Army who will use them. Back on the job. You will get your orders. Why do people like you always think you can beat anybody with your bare hands?
If I had my life to live over.
You would build tanks in this factory. Don't worry, you still have time. Only, you will build them for us.
That's what you think.
Shut up! It would be a pleasure to kill you, too. But my orders are to keep you alive.
Yeah.
We need this factory, you see. And you know how to run it better than anybody else. So, there is only one thing to do.
You are so dead right. And I'm just the man who can do it.